So the last measure I want to review is the price level. Okay. Now, what the price level is a way in which we measure inflation. Okay. And basically, it's a measure of how prices are changing over time. And I should point out what we're talking about here are nominal prices, not real prices. Okay, so we're talking about nominal prices. In other words, the money price, the actual number on the price tag. Okay, so we're talking here. What the price level is getting at is how nominal prices are changing over time. The most common measure is the CPI, also known as the Consumer Price Index. So Consumer Price Index. Okay, and what we're trying to get at with this is a overall measure of what's happening to the cost of living. So let me just put up a table real quick. So here, what I've done is I'm just giving you a quick example of 3 goods that people purchase in 1999 and in 2014. So we have, eye exams, pizza, and books. We have the quantities that are purchased, the 1999 prices here, and the 2014 prices here. So you can see that some things have gotten more expensive, and I should point out that I'm making these numbers up just for ease of simplicity of the calculations that we're going to do. Okay, and so what we'd see is that this basket of goods, this 1 eye exam, 20 pizzas, and 20 books, cost $750 in 1999, and it cost it cost $900 in 2014. So what we can do, there we go. What we can do is we can calculate the rate that the prices changed on average by looking at the CPI. And so what the CPI would do is we would take the 900 in 2014, we would divide by the 750 from 1999, and we just multiply by 100, and that gets us a number of 120. Now, what that 120 actually means is that prices on average rose by 20%. So here, prices on average rose 20% from 1999 to 2014 in this hypothetical example. Okay, so the general equation for this would be expenditures in the year we're interested, so in this case the current year, divided by expenditures in what's known as the base year, and multiplying by 100. So in our example, 2014 was the quote-unquote current year. In other words, it's the year that we were interested in understanding. So we got an expense of 900. We divided that by the base year's expense, which in our example was 750 for 1999. We multiply by 100, and we get 120. In other words, the CPI increased by 20% since the base year. Okay.